Well, now here again, in this particular phase, as I told you that this compound interest, I have divided this particular exercise or lessons or whatever it is, compound interest chapter, I have divided into few different phases. The reasons already I have told you. In the first phase only I have told you, I have explained that what is actually the basic difference between the simple and the compound interest. Now I am going to start few problems, and I am again going to remind you that in the first exercise should not ask me, said should we solve these particular questions by using formulae. Because on the question papers you will find it will be given without using formula solve the question, or by using formula solve the question. That time only you are required to use the formula. If you are going to use the formula in this particular exercise problem, you will not supposed to get any marks, only 0 will come, and that time you should not chase me, sir, you have not explained these things earlier. Now in the class, obviously, you can say that no sir, you have not explained, you have not told, you have not instructed me to do so. This time it is not possible for you because already it is in black and white in videos. Anyway, by the way, now one more thing most probably you have seen in the last class, that basically difference between the simple and the compound interest. And you have seen in the last class only that persons who has taken 200 rupees from me, he has paying 240 rupees extra. In the second case 242 rupees extra, and in the first case 40 rupees coming as simple interest. In the second case 42 rupees is coming as the compound interest. And this is the things that for compound interest always is greater than the simple interest. Right? By the way, let us start the things. Exercise 11A. First of all, I am going to start the first exercise. Find the amount and the CI on rupees 2500 for 2 years at 10% per annum. So first of all, what you will have to do, what I am going to explain the question once again, that 2500 in spite of 200 rupees, now I am taking 2500 from a bank, and the bank is charging 10% per annum means yearly, 10% per annum compound interest, and I am taking the money on this particular conditions that I will return the money within 2 years. So they are asking me find the amount and the CI. So let us start. For first year, you have to start the things this way. For first year, for first year, this way. So principal amount is P is equal to how much it is? 2500. And the rate will be how much? It is given as 10%. So therefore interest, INT, interest will be how much? 10% of 2500, which is equal to 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, which is equal to 250 rupees. And for the first years, the amount will be how much? 2500 plus the current year's interest, which will be equal to 752,750. Okay, and this 2750, this amount will go as a principal for the second year, right? For second year, this particular amount will become the principal for the second year. So, and the rate is same. How much? It is 10%. So therefore, interest will be how much? 10% of 2750, 0, 0 cancel, which is equal to 275 rupees. right? So therefore total amount will be how much? I am writing this side. Therefore total amount, because for 2 years I am taking this particular amount, this particular principles 2500. So that's why I am actually writing here total amount 25, that is current year's, this year's principal amount 2750, and this year's interest, that is 275. Okay, the second year's principal and second year's interest I'm going to add, and that one will be the final amount after the second year, that is 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carries 1, 3025. And this is the final amount. So therefore compound interest will be how much? You have taken 2500 loan, so 3 amount minus, this is actually the amount minus interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal, which is equal to 3025 minus 2500, which is equal to 525 rupees. 525. So make an index here. So amount is equal to rupees 3025, and the compound interest CI is equal to rupees 525, and that will be our answer. Is it clear? So this is actually the first questions. Okay. Now I'm going to enter into the second questions. That one is the question number 3. Yes, go through the question number 3. Whatever the R.S. Agarwal's book I am having, that one is 2 years back editions. And 2 years back editions, and whatever the books you are having, most probably the new editions. And I don't know that if this corrections being made in that particular questions or not. Here in my old editions, what is being written here, find the difference between simple interest and the compound interest. What is the meaning of it? Find the difference between SI and CI. That is, they are asking you to find SI minus CI. But we have come to know that always compound interest is greater than the simple interest. So in spite of writing find the difference between SI and CI, there should be find the difference between CI and SI. If it has not been corrected, you just correct on your book that find the difference between CI and SI. By the way, on rupees 5,000 for 2 years at 9% per annum. Again, I am telling you that annum means yearly. By the way, let us start. Question number 3. So, find the difference between CI and SI. So, in that case, first of all, you have to find the CI. For CI, what you have to do? You have to, because this is actually going for 2 years. So, for first year, the principal amount P is equal to how much it is? It is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Rupees 5,000. And rate of interest is how much? Rate of interest, it is given as 9%. 9%. So interest will be how much? That 9% of 5,000, which is equal to 9 by 100 of 5,000. 0, 0 supposed to be cancelled. 5 9s are 45. 450 rupees. Okay, 450 rupees. So after the second years, after the first year, at the end of first year, 450 is the coming as the interest. So what will be the amount for the first year? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is equal to 5,000 rupees plus interest is 450. which is equal to 4505450. This will be the amount for the first year, and this amount will going to be the principal amount for the second year. So in that case, this is going to be the principal amount for the second year. For second year, principal is equal to how much? First year's amount, that is 5450, and the rate of interest R will be same, which is equal to 9%. Now find the interest. So interest will be equal to 9% of 5450, which is equal to 9 by 100 of 5450. Is it clear? And if we're going to take the calculations, already I have taken the calculations because I do not want to waste the time. And if we're going to take the calculations of 9% of 5450, it will come as 490 rupees 490.50. This 490.50 will be the interest. So what will be the amount for the second year? Amount will be equal to first year's principal, second year's principal plus interest. So it will be equal to 5450 plus 490.50. And after the additions, it is coming, in my calculations, it is coming as 5940.50. 5940.50. 40.50. This is the final amount. But we'll have to define the difference between the CI and SI. So this is amount, not CI. So find CI. CI is equal to final amount minus principal. So 5940.50 minus principal. What is the principal? What the loan you have taken? 5,000. And this is coming as 940.50. This is compound interest here. Now let us try to find simple interest. And simple interest, you know very well that simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. P is equal to 5,000 rupees, R is equal to 9%, time is equal to 2 years, by 100, 0, 0 supposed to be cancelled, and it will come as 900 rupees only. So therefore, this one only we have to find CI minus SI, which is equal to 940.50 minus 900, which is equal to 40.50. So this is the answers of this particular solutions. Okay? I think it is clear. Again, I am going to just explain it that 5,000 rupees. First of all, I am going to find the compound interest on 5,000 rupees. On 5,000 rupees, and this compound interest I am finding in the two phases, because 2 years, 2 phases. So first phase is I am finding 9% of 5,000 rupees. It is coming 450, and this 450 I am going to add with that year's principals, and this is coming as 5450. This is the amount of the first year. This amount will going to be the principal for the second year, and 9% is the interest, and the interest is coming on this 5450 is coming 490.50, and this year's amount will be equal to this year's principal plus the interest, which is equal to 59450, and this is the final amount. So this is the final amount. Okay, this is the final amount. What will be the final compound interest? Final amount minus the principal amount, which is coming as 940.50. This is final compound interest. Now let us try to find the simple interest. Simple interest is PRT by 100. You have done this type of calculations in standard 7, and this is coming as 900, and CI minus SI is equal to that one only you have to find. CI is coming as 940.50 and SI is coming as 900, and this is Okay, yes, I have actually explained the things in a very fast way. You have to see these videos in 2-3 times repetition so that it will be clear. Now, one more questions I am going to solve here. That one is 1 or 2 more questions. Okay. Very quickly I am going to solve. Already I have taken more than 15 minutes time till now. Now, question number 5. Harpreet, one person's, borrow rupees 20,000 from her friend. Harpreet, from her friend. Harpreet, I think a girl. 20,000 rupees from her friend at 12% per annum simple interest. And she lent this money to Alam, to another friend, at the same rate but at compound interest annually. So I am taking the money on same rate but on simple interest and giving this money to another friend on compound interest. Because compound interest will going to give me more interest, and I have taken this money from my friend on simple interest, and less interest I will have to pay. Whatever the extra interest it is coming, that one will be my profit. In both the cases, again I have to find that compound interest and simple interest, and whatever the difference, that one will be my profit. The same question as that of the previous one. So first of all, let us try to find simple interest on rupees 20,000 at 12% per annum for 1 year only. So 1 year or 2 years? 1 year it will not be there. For 2 years. Okay, 2 years. So simple interest. P is equal to 20,000 rupees. And a rate of interest is 12%. And time is equal to, T is equal to 2 years. So therefore simple interest is equal to PRT by 100, which is equal to 20,000, rate is 12, time is 2 by 100. 0 supposed to be cancelled, and after taking the calculations, it is coming 2420. No, just a minute. It is coming 4,800. 4,800. So as an interest, how much I will have to pay to my friend from whom I have taken the loan as an interest, that one is 4,800. Now the question is that how much interest I will earn from my another friend who is Alam. Okay, so I am now giving this particular principle on the same day to another my friend for 2 years. So now let us take the calculations from the compound interest point of view for first year. For first year, principal amount is equal to 20,000. Whatever the amount I have taken, that one I have given to my friend Alam at the rate of 12%. R is equal to 12%. So what will be the interest? Interest is equal to 12 by 100 of 20,000. This 0 supposed to be cancelled. 12 2s are 24 followed by 20. This will be the interest, and this interest when I added with this year's principals, so it is 20,000 plus 2,400, which is equal to 00422. 22400, it is coming the amount, and this amount will go as a principal for the second year. For second year, this amount will go for the principal as a principal. So principal amount is equal to 22400. Rate is same, which is equal to 12%. So interest will be equal to 12 by 100 of 22400. 0 supposed to be cancelled, which is equal to 12 into this much, which is coming as 2688. 2688. So what will be the final amount? Final amount is equal to this year's principal 22400 plus 2688. If we're going to add, this one will come as 25088. 25088. This is the final amount. So therefore, what is the compound interest? CI is equal to amount minus the principal, which is equal to 25088 minus 20,000, which is equal to 5088. 5088. Now see, no, I am actually getting compound interest from Alam 5088. And how much I am paying as a simple interest? 4800 to Harpreet. So in between, whatever the difference, that one will be my profit. So therefore, profit is equal to 5088 minus 4800. Right? And which is coming as rupees 288. And that will be my answer. The same procedures, I think so. So I think doubt should not be there.